So this is one of the initiatives that we have taken with Power India. In fact, we've been doing these kind of activities exclusively at many places with Power India, where we go out and promote HP storage within itself as an exclusive brand which comes out of the HP umbrella, because HP is a very, very large organization with many facets of businesses that we are running. Storage being one of the key business areas that we are focusing in. Moving forward, we are taking initiatives where you will see events like this being covered by HP, talking only about the storage offering. So this is possibly one of the big things that we have done here. So storage is not very complex, but storage requires a little different mindset when you are trying to position, the solutions are built around the storage infrastructure, because what's critical there is to understand the customer's requirements and to take it a little more as a solution-centric approach rather than trying to do a box switch. So one is it requires an ability in terms of partners having capabilities to understand, articulate and architect a solution which is meeting the customer business requirements. So that's really translating to a need where you should have an aptitude to do a little bit of technology, a little bit of patience, okay, and drive more of a value prop rather than pure commercial thing. So commercial should always be the last. Yeah, it was exciting because we had technology partners, vendors from different facets of solutions. Whether you talk about application space, you talk about service provision, you talk about storage infrastructure, right? So all that was getting covered there. So for me also there was a lot of learning in terms of what people are talking about in the business, because for me, day and night I spend my time around storage, but we heard about Google, we heard about what Rital is trying to do when we talk about basic infrastructure, we heard about people talking about the connectivity, the bandwidth. So all that was really, a good learning for us. Absolutely, they are going to coexist. In fact, both to a great extent are actually similar things. Only the way of looking at them and the way you are deploying them may be slightly different. But the basic building blocks which will deliver either of these two, architectures are actually using common building blocks. When you look at storage, at the end of the day, you have the disks, you have the capacities, you have the compute. So these will still constitute the common building blocks. Maybe the way they will get architected and get presented to the customers are going to vary.